So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy USDT through P2P market, and you can actually use this USDT to buy any cryptocurrency of any choice through spot, and you can also use this USDT to actually trade futures market. But over the time, we have had several cases of scammers, scamming people who want to actually buy USDT from Bybit P2P market. I'm also going to be showing you how to spot out these potential scammers and how to actually buy from legitimate vendors through P2P market directly from your bank account. Like, you can actually buy USDT directly from your bank account. You don't need MasterCard or Visa or whatever. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Actually, if you don't have a Bybit account, which I highly recommend you should have, what you need to do is to click the link in the description of this video, create a Bybit account, and afterwards verify your account, and you are eligible to claim up to $500 position airdrop reward. And you can actually use it to trade BTC, and you can withdraw your profit as SAP, right? So after signing up and verifying your account, so what you need to do is you come over to your profile. Remember, before you come over to your profile, you must have fund your account with at least $100 above, right? So when you come to your profile after funding, so you come here, you click on the $500, you're going to see it here. I'm not a first time user, that's why you're not seeing it here. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you actually claim your reward, and there are other bonuses or rewards to claim. So for here, when you trade up to $100,000 volume, trading volume, right, you can also claim up to 1,000 USDT worth of position airdrop, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's dive into the main deal. So what you need to do here is you come over to P2P market right here. So you come over to P2P. Remember, you must have done your verification before you do this. So when you come to your P2P market, the first thing you need to do here before doing another thing is to actually add your bank details to your Bybit account. Link your banking details, the bank you want to use to do the transaction, link into your Bybit. So how do you do that? So what you need to do first, you come here, you click on that three-dotted stuff, you come to here. I think that I've changed it. So what you need to do is come over here, come over to your profile, right? So when you come over to your profile, you navigate down below, you click on payment method. So when you click on payment method, so you're gonna see different payments here. So this is my banking details. So for you to add yours, so you click on add a payment method down below. Down below here, so you click add payment details here. So here you can actually add, you see your name, the name you use in verifying your Bybit, because that's the name that should be in your your NIN, which is national identification number, right? So the same name should be in your bank. So you're gonna see it here. So what you need to do is just add your bank account number, the branch in which you open your bank account, and the bank name, and afterwards you click confirm. So after setting your bank payment details on your Bybit account, so you go back. So once you go back, you now click on P2P trading. So once you click on P2P trading, it's going to bring something like this. So on this section right here, you can see the buy section is if you want to buy USDT. If you want to buy USDT, right? So that's this section here. So on the other hand, which is sell, is if you want to sell USDT, like if you want to sell your dollar, right, directly to your bank account, the same bank account you added to your Bybit account. So if you want to sell, this is where you come over. But in this video, we're going to discussing on how to actually buy. So what you need to do here is you click on buy. So before you choose any vendor here, remember there are some scammers here. So you should make sure you pay attention to all these details I'm about to mention right here, because there are some scammers here. Some of these vendors are not legit. Some people will actually after you make transaction with them, they take your money and give you some sort of stories and stories and upon stories. So you may want to avoid all those long stories and go straight to the person that's actually genuine. So how do you know that? So first of all, let's say you want to purchase up to $100,000, sorry, up to $100 worth of USDT. So you click on amount, see where I click this amount, click on it. So you type 100,000, okay? 100,000 is just like 100,000 naira. So you click confirm. So what Bybit will do is that it's kind of filter those vendors selling from at least 50, 100,000 and above. So you can be able to buy up to $100, which is more than 100,000 naira, right? So the next thing you also need to do is to filter, right? You need to filter so that Bybit will bring out those people that you really want to deal with, right? So of course your payment method is already added, because once you've added your payment details, so it's going to show there. So but let's click on it first, let's confirm. So as you can see, you leave it on all, okay? But if you prefer bank transfer or OPay or any bank you are using, okay, you click on that. But for me, I prefer leaving it on all, which I recommend you leave it on all, right? So what you need to do here again is just click on this filter, okay? So when you click on this filter, what this filter will do for you is that it's going to filter those potential scammers out from, you know, the ad placement that's going to be showing to you, right? So you click on filter. So when you click on filter, right, so you want to buy from verified advertisers, okay? You don't want to buy from advertisers that are not, or vendors that are not verified. You want to buy from verified advertisers. So you click on, tap on verified advertiser. So you also want Bybit to show you only eligible ads, right? That's what you want Bybit to show you, right? So you click on show only eligible ads. So once you click on show only eligible ads, so the other one, you want to show only block advertisers. No, don't click on that one. Ads with no verification required, don't click on that one. So you want to, the next one is here, leave it on from lowest to highest, right? So the next one is the timer, right? So you don't want, if you want 30 minutes payment limit, you click on it, or if you want to leave it on all, or 15 minutes. But for me, I prefer leaving it on 15 because I don't like wasting of time. So I click 15 minutes, right? So you click confirm, right? So once you click confirm, the next thing you want to do here is, since Bybit have shown you what you've filtered on, so what you need to do here is to choose your preferred advertiser or vendor, right? So I want to go for who is selling cheaper, because what we set in the filter is from lowest to highest, right? So this person is selling 1,548.99. So as you can see, these are things to look out for. So first of all, his price is okay, all right, and 15 minutes duration time. So but he's not online, so I want to look for someone who is online. So if I want to, you know, make a fast quick payment, like quick one, so I want to look for someone who is online, who can, you know, respond to me as soon as possible. So this coin body is actually online. How do you know? How do you know that this guy is online? So this green tick, that this green small peep light, okay, small green button that is showing at the towards the corner of the profile, right? So that shows that he's online. So this coin body is actually online. As you can see, his account, this our account is verified, right? So he's selling at 1,552 naira, right, which is 1,552 naira per USDT. It's actually selling costly than the first one, but due to the first one is not online, so I want someone that can respond to me as soon as possible. So that's why I'm choosing coin body, right? So this is another thing to look out for. This guy is selling the limit from 50,000 naira up to 400,000 naira. So if it falls within the range of which you want to buy, okay, the USDT you want to buy, if it falls within the range of this naira, you can actually go ahead and proceed. And in this case, I will say that it falls, because if you want to fund your account with $100, okay, $100 here is 152,000 to 155,000 to something. Yeah, I think so, if I'm correct. So another thing you should look out for here, okay, is the number of orders. This guy have had over 5,960 orders, right? So, and if you see the completion rate is 99%, so it's good to go. So for me, if I'm want to place or buy USDT, I'm looking for someone who had at least 96, 97, 98, 99 to up to 100% completion rates. It means they are very, very good in responding to orders. So, and the orders here is quite good. So it's good to go. So I'm going to click on buy, right? So once I click on buy, so I input the amount I want to buy here. If I want to buy using the crypto, like if I want to give the amount in crypto, I'll just leave it on crypto. If I want to leave it on fiat, fiat is just paper money, your Naira, right? So let's say I want to buy $100, I'll just put 100 USDT, okay? But you can see the max limit here is 96. He's selling at 96 is just remaining, which means he just sold off some amounts of USDT, right? So I'm just going to go with, let's say I'm going to go with 50 USDT, which is 77,600. Okay, let me just go with let's say 10 USDT or 20 USDT, no, 30 USDT, no. Okay, 40 USDT, 62,080, right? So that's what I'm going to go for, right? So okay, we're good to go. So I click buy. So once I click buy here, so what do I need to do again? I want to buy 40 USDT, which is worth over 62,080 Naira, right? So, but in this, if you want to actually, as a first time user of Bybit, so you want to fund $100 and above. In that way, you'll be able to be eligible for the the Bybit reward up to $500 BTC execution airdrop, right? So here, what you need to do here again is to contact the seller, the person that is selling for the vendor. Contact him here. Click contact seller. So why are you doing this? You are doing this because you want to know the terms and conditions of this seller. So here you can see his details. He said from here, the last one he dropped, you can just ask him or say, hi, are you online? Just to be sure he's online, right? For proceedings, I like to do this a lot because it helped me to. Okay, so you can just read this terms and conditions here. You say, please, no third-party payments. Make sure you read and understand. I don't accept payments from wherever my bank. Do not use crypto wares during transfer. Send receipt showing your name immediately after payment, or WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number. So I'm going to follow all these things. So what I need to do here is I will click on what? Pay now. So once I click on pay now, so I'm going to copy this guy account number, have the name and the bank, which is PalmPay. And remember, I have only less than 13 minutes to do this. So what I will do right now is to just go and transfer this money here before I click payment completed. That's the first thing I need to do right here. So I'm going to copy it. So let me go and transfer it right now. So guys, I've successfully transferred the money there. So make sure you check the bank, the name of the person, and the bank account number, and as well as the bank name. Make sure everything is correct. And when it comes to the narration, do not use crypto related words. Instead, use your name or the person's name. So I've transferred it. So I will click payment completed right here. So I click here, check all these stuffs, and click OK. So afterwards, I will now go to the seller. Okay, I will now paste the proof of transaction, which I've already screenshotted it, right? I will paste it, confirm. As he said, I should paste proof of payment. which I'm sending right here, right? So as you can see, he is responding right now. So let's wait a little bit. So as you can see the proof of payment, you can see it, 62,080 Naira, right? As you can see the name of the guy, Pay, and that's just it. So we are waiting for him to release payment, to release the USDT for us. So let's hold on. This is 40 USDT. Good. He have already released the 40 USDT on my Bybit funding account. So as you can see, this Bybit, this 40 USDT is now in my funding account, right? So I can use it, I can transfer it to spot, okay, and use it to buy cryptocurrency or trade or do any other activities on my Bybit account, right? So this is it, right? So this is it, right? So this is 46, right? I had 40. If I had 6.58 USDT here before, right now it's 46. I had 6.58 USDT before, but now it's 46, right? So that's it, right? So my fund now increase. So just in case this is the first time you are coming across this video, and if you find this video very helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be getting more and more educational content on cryptocurrency, right? And if you haven't created, if you don't have a Bybit account, do well to check the link in the description as well to create your account, fund it, verify after, and you fund it to claim your reward. And you can also use the link in the description to join our Telegram community, where we drop cryptocurrency signals, trading signals on futures trading, and also some of the coins to actually invest that can possibly give you over 2x, 3x, even 10x on the in the nearest future, right? So my name is Cyril, so bye for now. Catch you up next time.